Dimpi Das is an Assam sculptor. She completed Bachelor of Fine Arts in Sculpture in Government College of Art and Craft, Guwahati in 2011. And Master of Visual Arts in Sculpture in Government College of Art and Craft, Kolkata, 2014. Her works got its behavioral representation during Masters. The works she done were related to natural local landscape and relation to human behavior. She explored and had experimented with different materials like a bandage, wood, fiberglass for making natural objects, and also with different mediums through which she tried to represent her sculptures. She introduced many works in reflecting distinct vision on a few living existences. Her works got a new direction with the assistance of nature, human connection, and suggest a constructive conclusion. Spreading awareness among people through her artworks was a positive side for her. Artist says, "I believe that nature's manifestations are superior to that of the creation of human art. My mind considers Assam's beauty that reflects in my works is efficiently dominant. I try to depict my work with the harmony of nature and humanity, that manifolds the objects as a part of a progressive approach to the Mother Earth." She won Young Talent Artists Award under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India in 2012. Commendation Award, 9th Northeast State Exhibition of Art in 2016. The Best Entry in Painting Award in Northeast Art Contest Cum Exhibition in 2018.
For more video, subscribe our channel and switch the bell button all. I hope you like the video. Please like and share. Thank for watching.